Behind the double doors in the hallway is the closet where we keep the washer and dryer. It is an LG washer dryer combo unit, so it does both in one. These are really popular in Europe because of their size and they're able to save space. So here in our tiny house, this is what we chose so we could have some storage options above. It is a ventless dryer and it runs on 110 volts. So what that means is that it is not the most efficient in the world. It will take 2 to 3 times longer than a normal washer dryer to do a load of laundry. So keep that in mind when you guys come. It's more for emergencies. If you get wet or dirty or something and you just really need to wash something or dry something, I wouldn't come anticipating doing several loads of laundry because it's gonna take a really long time. So to do a dry only cycle, which is what I'll show you first, you turn it on, you don't touch any of these settings and you go straight to dry. It's set automatically on extra high spin, so that's if you have something that's really wet that you want to spin first. Otherwise, press the spin button one time and it'll go to no spin and just start drying right away. Don't pay attention to this time up here. It will adjust itself once it starts going. It's set on turbo, which will make it go a little bit quicker, but it's still going to take at least a couple hours. You can change it to normal or you can do a specific time. To wash and dry a load, you turn it on and you're gonna just turn that dial. It's automatically set to normal, but you can adjust it as you need. All of these settings are set for the wash cycle only. If you want to add the dry to it, which means it'll wash and then just dry automatically right after, then you just hit the dry button and that adds the dryer to it. So you can adjust these settings as you need to, and then you press the play button to get it started. To put the detergent in, you open this drawer right here. This is a high efficiency washer. So when you fill the detergent into the cap, you want to fill it up only to the number 1, not to the number 2. And the detergent goes in this front little drawer on the left. When you guys are done with your stay, we know that some people like to go ahead and start a load of laundry with their linens and their towels, but what we ask is that everybody just put that stuff straight here into the hamper because we have cleaners that will take the stuff off site to wash and dry it because it will take a really, really long time if you do it in here. That's all.